Okay, so we're going to look at statistical distributions. So in this example, we've got 3 fair coins tossed. We're going to write down the possible outcomes when the 3 coins tossed, and then we're going to look at a random variable x, which is defined as the number of heads when the 3 coins are tossed. And then from there, we're going to get a probability distribution for x. And we're going to present that as a table and then as a probability mass function. Okay, so to start with, we're just going to list the outcomes that we could have. So part A, this is. So possible outcomes, we might have all heads, we might have heads, heads, tails, we might have heads, tails, heads, tails, heads, heads. Just notice I'm doing this systematically, so I'm going through like 3 heads and then 2 heads. Now I'm going to go on to 1 head. So head, tails, tails, or tails, head, tails, or tails, tails, heads. And then finally, you might have all 3 coins are tails. Then the probability distribution for x. So as a table, we could say, right, so x can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, because that's the number of heads that we might have got when we flip 3 coins. I'm going to write probability at x equals x. So the idea is that lowercase x is representing a specific value, which are then the ones that are given in the table. And then x here, the capital X, is representing a random variable which can take any of those values. So the probability that the random variable is equal to 0 is the probability of getting all tails, so that's 1/8. Probability that the random variable is equal to 1 is 3/8, because we've got 3 ways that we can get 1 head, and then 2 would then be 3/8 as well, because there's 3 ways we can get 2 heads. Finally, probably to get 3 heads is also 1/8. So that's how we'd represent it as a table. As a probability mass function, I would write probability that x equals x is equal to, and then there's 3 possible things we might have here. So it might be equal to 1/8, and that's when x is 0 or 3. So those both give us a probability of an 1/8. Can equal 3/8 if x is equal to 1 or 2. And all of the values are impossible, so I'm going to put 0 otherwise. And that's how we do it as a mass function. So as a table and then as a mass function.